Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photos and tapping the live photo you want to blur. Make sure Live is on and the image is backed up so you can revert. Swipe up to inspect info and available effects. If portrait or depth control appears, you can use native tools. If the live photo lacks depth data, stop here and install a targeted blur app. That is the only consistent way to add a realistic background blur to a live photo without losing motion. Once done, choose the correct path. Use Photos Edit if depth is present, open Edit, adjust depth control or portrait strength to push background blur. If depth is absent, make sure your blur app supports live photo import. Import the live photo, then either run an automatic subject mask or paint a background mask manually. Apply the blur slider until the separation looks natural. Make sure to preview motion, play the live photo, so blur stays consistent across frames before exporting. Finish by exporting. If the app can save back as a live photo, choose that. Otherwise, export as a short video or live photo equivalent and save to Photos. Replace the original only after confirming the motion and blur look right, so you keep an untouched backup. If you see haloing or inconsistent blur, reopen the mask, refine edges, sample colors for similar backgrounds, and check several frames. If results still fail, try a different blur algorithm in the app. That usually fixes artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.